Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. So any screen there you see there, we're just on the menu screen. If I click up to the top and then turn to Navi, I can select it like that. So that's Navi, it's come up on map, or I can just click that. Now, nothing there, it's not really intuitive really, it's just showing me the map. If I click it again, now you've got enter destination, so we turn the rotary control to enter destination, click on enter destination. Now select from last destinations or enter address, so turn the rotary control to enter address, click on enter address. That's the postcode. It's in red, it's not that easy to see. Anyway, click on where the postcode should be, and now again it's nice and white, but it goes red when the selector's over it. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR. We now need numbers. The numbers have come up at the bottom, see there, and if we dial across with the rotary control or click down, it goes on to the numbers. So we're PR5, I didn't press that hard enough, select. I'm going to put a space in because there's only 2 digits, and then put 4 in. PR54, again, we need to go back to E, A, that's it. Dark red, it's a stupid colour, I'm sure that anybody who's colourblind or anything, that won't help. So we click on the PR54EA, that's what we want. It's asking me to put a street in. I don't want to do a street. If you want to put a street in, fair enough. But I can move the rotary control down to start guidance, click start guidance. That's it.